a big package. A big package. Look how big that is, Woody Down.
Can you put some music in that tape?
What do you think that is?
Music.
Huh? What do you think that is, Woody Down?
What does it say in the box?
Leslie.
Huh?
It's for Leslie Ann.
Oh, it does? Oh,
Ooh.
what time is it?
I can. What is it? Santa, what is it?
Dada, can you help her open the whole box itself?
Keep tearing the paper off. Turn the box. Wow, what is it?
You don't know. I'll tell you when I'm done opening the phone.
Wow.
You don't know what it is yet.
I don't know what it is yet.
I'll tell you.
What is it? You're not gonna tell me?
It says to Louis. Then you open your phone.
I see.
This says Leslie.
Does it say in the box first? To Lauren. Okay, let's see. Open Lauren's present. Let's see.
Wow.
Let's see. Gets open. What is it? Lauren. Oh my goodness. Lauren, look. Open it. Open it.
Learn for you.
She's interested in the paper. Wow, Lauren, look. Open it. Look. Lauren, look. Wow. Wow, that's Lauren. Lauren. What else did Santa get Leslie? Let's see the name. You want Mama to read? See, it says. To Lauren from Tita Ana. Open Tita Ana's present to Lauren. Oh, look, some more. One more for Lauren.
Wow. Wow, Booty Girl.
Okay, next Leslie. Show me the next one. Open. What does that one say? Wow, another one.
Oh. The same one.
That's fine.
Oh boy, a learning toy.
Oh, let's see the name. Whose name is that? Leslie from Santa. Let's see what Santa has for Leslie. What Santa sure gave Leslie a big hug.
I bet it's for 80.
You think so? Oh, I want to see. How's your life?
Really?
You.
Let's see, what's the book about? The book about? Let's see, in front, the front, the back. Wow. And who's that? Sleeping Beauty. Oh, lucky you, Leslie. Let's see some more. Let's see some more. What's next? Okay, let's see. To Leslie from Abuelita Maru. Lola Maru. Open, Leslie.
For me?
Oh!
Wow, a
Look,
dress.
Leslie.
Wow, it looks nice.
Next, let's see. See what that says. Lauren from Tita baby doll. Oh, she comes with a comb. Oh, Prince has a baby, a girl now. Okay, next. Oh, lucky Leslie. There's more? Oh, that's yours, Leslie. It says Leslie. Neato. Let's see.
Wow, what is it?
It's a baby bottle. Or a dolly. Look, Lauren.
Lauren! Oh no!
Fine. Neat. Next.
But the
Okay.
dogs don't come.
To Lauren from Mama and Dada. That's Mama and Dada's present.
I'll open it. This one.
Isn't it fun, Leslie?
Mm-hmm.
These are for... Those are always for little kids. You don't...
Open it. Hold on, Leslie. Before you open that, let's see. To Leslie from Santa. Oh, neato. What does Santa get for Leslie? Open that. Oh, neat. What did Santa give you? Alphabet and numbers.
Sure does.
Watch it there. What did he give you? Oh, neato, look! Have you ever seen this? Look inside, Leslie. Who's in? Look in the light. Hold with two hands and peek. Here, hold it with two hands here. Okay, who's in? Look up in the light. Up in the light.
Bambi!
Oh, and you can see Winnie the Pooh too. Oh, neat. Neato. Let's change. Okay. Okay, let's open it.
Gilbert Max! I think Gilbert Max!
To Leslie, stay as sweet as you are from Lolo and Lola. Wow, Lolo and Lola has something for you. Say words, my name. Oh! Oh,
Wow.
oh, a raccoon bag. Look. Neat. It's a knapsack. Look, Leslie. Oh, neat. You can go to school with it. Look. You can hide all your toys in it. Oh, now we started a big mess. Let's put it back. Oh, neat, Leslie. Nice. To Lauren from Tita, Chris, and Cousin Philip. Lauren's not opening it, so she don't know it. Leslie, look how many presents you got. Isn't that fun?
Gucci, Gucci.
Oh, a baby.
Wow.
supposed to be Leslie's. The other one is Lauren's.
Oh, yes.
This is Leslie's and this is Lauren's. Because Leslie's bigger. Red dress. Oh, remember she had one now. Look at this. It's a
Who's
gown.
that from, Mama?
Lola Maroon.
Oh, nice.
Leslie from Tita Anna. My God, Leslie. You got lots. Oh, look. It's Aladdin's bag. Look.
Wow. Move this over there. Some...
And it even has Aladdin in there. Look.
That is so nice, huh?
Let's see what's inside the bag, okay? That's paper. Look, Leslie got a little bag. Oh, Marianne. To Leslie from Tita Anna.
Wow.
Leslie from Tita Anna. Leslie. Leslie. Here's one more box. You want to open what's in here yet? Oh, I'll have some. Yeah. Oh, now you have a baby bottle and a baby.
Wowie.
Oh. I guess we opened all our